Shenseea better hold it! Alright gang, so Vybz Kartel has proven himself once again to be the greatest to ever do it. Alright? I don't think you guys understand like how much of an icon you have to be to sell out Barclays. Not one night, but 2 nights back to back. Not one night, but 2 nights back to back, yo. So Vybz Kartel's selling out him show at Barclays. This have never been done on like this type of crowd and this at this magnitude have never been done since what? Jay-Z, probably like in the 2000s or some shit like that. So bro, Kartel, hands down the greatest dancehall artist to ever do it right now. So make a run in a review. See what I go on. Watch it. And shout out to Skillibeng.
Make some nice with a bomb buckler world boss. Now!
Right now! Look at that crowd, yo. Look on that crowd there.
If you look at this world boss, we say Gaza!
Gaza!
Say Gaza! He said, Eche, go to convention.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, yo. And comment down below who deserves the Prince of Dancehall, Skillibeng or Masicka. Please comment that down below. I'm kind of surprised Masicka not reach for one of them show yet, but me I hope same day on Miami show.
It's usually just one person trying on shoes.
Discover doubles your cash back at the end of your first year, so I'm going to use mine to get something from my beautiful stunt double.
And don't get it twisted, no. Skillibeng is that nigga. Hola, moça. Open your bombo.
Oh, we have some special guests. Please play that song for me.
I think something went wrong. We're gonna skip that up because she never actually come out at the right time.
I mean the goat. The king of the dancehall. Make some nice tune, please.
Alright, see how you know. Kartel bring out a whole different catalog for second night. Mali look good, you know. I like how she keep her natural body and she embrace her natural body. And she's a beautiful woman. Our voice is kind of unique too. What are what? Yo! Yo, alright, this was a surprise to me. That was a surprise to me when Shenseea ran out. I never know how to say him and Shenseea did good. Like, you see me? But I love the unity. So big up to Vybz Kartel. Big up Shenseea. Big up Nico Woman. That is dancehall, people. That is dancehall culture. Proud. Go there, Chen Ying, Moliy. Hey! You're scared the fuck out of me. Yo! Yo, tell my kid, what a... Tell my fucking crap when I go ninja to give me a fucking buckle of water there. Yo! Yo, I'm frightened you, fuck! I say, how was ninja this? You frightened me, brother? Thanks for your water still. Jaja. I need some more water. Alright, make a back to the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe.
When I say Vybz, you say Kartel, right?
Kartel!
When I say Shen, you say Yang. Shen?
Yay! Now I sing about that still. Oh, perform on a song now. Perform on a song now. Set my freaking ear apart. Run! Yo, look on that! Yo, I know a Kartel proud of himself right now.
You know, say, these are girl writing song, but we really can't leave that stage tonight and not perform a first hit song with Vybz Kartel. And to be honest, this is my first time meeting Vybz Kartel. This is my first time seeing Vybz Kartel perform.
One vibe.
I'm going to perform a song rooting for the first time in history.
Shenseea better hold it. I love that, I love that, I love that, I love that. Changing a little skirt there, see, man. Alright, yo, so my man just break it down to the dog. Simple. Kartel is the greatest dancehall artist of all time, right? I think Kartel is the greatest dancehall artist to ever do it. Like, a lot of people will say Buju Banton and other people, you know, but Buju Banton is a versatile artist. Buju Banton do reggae, him do dancehall. That man do everything when it comes to a Jamaican aspect of music. But Vybz Kartel, the magnitude of what Vybz Kartel is doing now shows that when you put in the hard work, it will pay off. You see me? And Vybz Kartel established that. Vybz Kartel showed that. Vybz Kartel proved that. So brother, as long as you not put in the work and you put God first, dog, remember, God might slow you down because God wants you to come back to him. Not because he necessarily abandon you, but God not abandon nobody, brother. God wants you to come back to him. Remember, say Jesus forgive the thief on the cross and tell him so there's a space for you in heaven. You see me? So don't forget that. So if Sister Vybz Kartel can reap the benefits back, I'm hard work. It shows say yo, don't give up on yourself, get a youth, or don't give up on yourself, youth in general. You see me? Shenseea and the short skirt as a distract me. Me can't even think straight. Jesus Christ. Anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe. Sorry for calling the Lord name in vain.